Today I would like to teach you how to crochet the bobble stitch. It has a beautiful texture, kind of is like a 3D structure on your crochet. It looks so beautiful and makes any project have a special touch. Hi, my name is Nikki and I'm the creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts, and I would like to teach you how to crochet the bobble stitch. The bobble stitch can be crocheted in many different ways. So I would like to teach you a few different styles. So there is a double crochet bobble stitch, a half double crochet bobble stitch, and even a treble crochet bobble stitch. There are a lot more different versions of them or modified versions of them, but I'm just going to show you those three. So if I want to place a bobble stitch right here as a double crochet, you need to insert your hook and start crocheting a double crochet, but you're not finishing it. You are stopping when you have 2 loops on your hook. You're now adding more of these partial double crochets to the same space. You can add 3 or 4 of these double crochets that are half finished. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to do 3. That means I have 3 unfinished double crochets and therefore 4 loops on my hook. When I'm finished with them, I yarn over and pull through and created my first bobble right here. I will now insert my hook to the next stitch and just crochet a single crochet. You want to make sure when you do bobble stitches that the stitches next to them are a little bit smaller than the ones that you actually used for the bobble. That way you are pushing that bobble out, as you can see, and it has this 3D effect. So let's do one more single crochet right here. And now let me show you how to do a bobble stitch using half double crochets. So for a half double bobble, you're stopping 1 step before the double crochet. That means right here. You're doing that 3 times. So that means yarn over, push your hook through, and yarn over again and pull through. Now you have that many loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn over and pull through all. So if I now make a single crochet, you can see that the bobble was created. It is a lot smaller than the double crochet version. I now just created a row of single crochets by going into each stitch, including the one for the bobble, because now I want to show you the difference between a double crochet bobble and a treble crochet bobble. So let me place over here another double crochet bobble. So let me show you again what that means. Yarn over, pull through so that you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through so that you have an unfinished double crochet. You're stopping 1 step before you finish the double crochet. Let's do that 2 more times. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through. You created a double crochet bobble. I'm going to place a couple of single crochets. And now let me show you a treble crochet version of the bobble. So for a treble crochet, you know you have to yarn over 2 times before you insert your hook into the stitch. You now have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to go and yarn over, pull through 2 until you have 2 loops left. Now you do this unfinished treble crochet 2 more times. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over. Now we're ignoring that very last one right here, so we're only looking at 4, right? Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we have 3 loops on our hook, but 2 unfinished treble. So let's do one more unfinished treble. There you go. So I have 3 unfinished treble, and then I have the loop from my previous stitch right here. Yarn over and pull through all 4. And now let me do a couple more single crochets right here. As you can see now, the double crochet version is a nice round bobble. The half double crochet version is, well, kind of flat because it's obviously a smaller stitch. But the treble crochet version, it's a pretty big bobble. So let me show you from a side angle what that means. You can see that the treble crochet version is a lot bigger, and you can barely see the half double crochet version. From the back, you can see it has a bigger hole for the treble one, relatively good one for the double, and barely any for the half double. So in this video, you learned how to do the bobble stitch in different versions. There's other more modified versions out there, but I wanted to give you the more general version of a bobble stitch. I hope this video was helpful on how to crochet the bobble stitch in different versions. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!